Alright, so I've got the HD mirror cam. Now, this thing just came in the mail. I wanted to do a little bit of unveiling and show you a little bit about what this thing is all about and how to hook it up right way, quick way, doesn't matter. I already took the sticker off of the camera right here. That's the screen that shows you. So this thing is got infrared on it. It's pretty cool because you can see in the night. You want to be able to see in the night, don't you? You can. Why can't your camera? So here she is, right back at you. Got little clips on the back here, little rubber clips. You got extra ones that come with it, 2 extras. Now your camera, it spins all the way over to the passenger side, and it will spin all the way back around because of the cord inside, obviously. It will go up and down so you can see everything, get a good perfect view. It's got your mic on the back right here. You can take a picture while you're recording. You just hit that button, takes a picture, snapshot. You can adjust all your settings, different modes. You can then at nighttime you go into night vision mode. So here's your cable. You can hide it, run it up along your ceiling and down your panels and your instrument cluster, and hide the cable so it doesn't look so suspicious to everyone walking by. And you have, it comes with a 32 gig memory card. You've got your card reader. Pop your card in to the top of it, put it in your computer. All your stuff's there. Your SD card pops right into the top here. Power cable right there. Go straight up into your visor and on down. Hide the cable. Barely undetected. So pretty much all I got to do is plug it in, snap it on, and it's ready to go. So I'm going to take a couple things down here and pop this sucker on for you. Nobody needs that. Get down. Take my giant fish hooks off before I kill somebody. Yeah. Death. Put you right there. Take my kneecap out, because that's what I want to do. And I don't even know how I got this thing hooked up. How do I have you hooked up? Oh, okay. Been there forever. Come on down. Nobody needs you up there now. Maybe another time. Longhorns. Okay. Now, let's see if I can pop you up and around. Can I do it? Maybe not. I'm just going to do this. Set you up right there. Like that. Alright, here we go. Pretty easy. Show you how fast this should be. If I can do it fast. And I'm not fast, ladies. FYI. Anyways, let's see. Can I do this? Is it possible? It is possible. I reach around. Hey, reach around. And bam, there's one side. And the other. And the other. And it is on there. And it looks good. Look at that. Look at that. Would you look at that? Just look at it. All right. Camera. Bam. Now it's out in front. Okay. Let's put in the cable. Give this thing some power. See how fast I can do this. Countdown. 3, 2, 1. Nobody needs that box. Get out of my way. Yeah, you don't need the box when you're done with it. You can throw it away. It's okay. So I'm going to plug this into my cigarette lighter that stays on when I unplug or when I pull out my key. So it will constantly have power. Now, maybe I should have plugged this thing in before. I can't seem to find it. It's right here, somewhere. There it is. I got it. I'm a G. Maybe not, but okay. Run this down, blah, blah, blah. Run this down your panel here. Run it on down here. Go into your, under your dash right here. Come down to your dash and plug it into one of these, right? Yes, I have chopsticks. You never know the occasion. So, I like Chinese food. We got that out of the way. I'm gonna plug this bad boy in. Hopefully this thing works. My cigarette lighter, that is. It works. And we have power. Would you look at that? And there you go, folks. It works. Hello. And we are recording. We're in 720. And I'll turn this around. Somebody just pulled in my driveway. Who is that? It is raining. I got you on candid camera, motherfucker. Anyways, whoever the hell you are, that's that right there. And I'm pretty happy with it. I like it. It's got some tint to it, which is, I'm assuming, I'm gonna take a picture. Picture time. Say cheese. All right, enough of the camera. Let's go to this, night vision. Night vision's on, night vision's off. Okay, what else we got? We got settings. Maybe, oh yeah, okay. Stops the recording. Okay, it just stopped. Now I'm gonna go to mode. What is this? Ooh, that's a weird mode. I'm not really sure what that is, but okay. I think this one is just voice. Recording audio. This is going through. There's my picture. Yep. I can scroll through everything. And now we're back to normal mode. I think this is normal mode. Is it? I'm not sure. But let's go to settings. See what settings is like. Resolution. Okay, 720. You got your timestamp on, off, motion detection. Oh yeah, we're gonna turn that on, because I don't want anybody stealing my shit. Oh. Yeah, anyways, okay. And now we're gonna go over to video time. How long can we go? 3 minutes now. We want to go more than that. Video timer off. I want to record forever. Voice on. Okay, so now that that's out of the way, format, next menu, language, definitely English. Sleep mode off, screensaver off, delay off. We don't like delays. We like things to happen immediately, right? Right. Light frequency. Okay, system reset. So pretty much this is the gist of it. Cancel. Okay, what else? What else do we got? I think that is it, folks. So it's hotter than a witch's tit, and it's raining. So I hope this was informative. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. This is Chase, signing off. Later.